10 hard points, you are doing enough physical activity to lead a healthy life. So it automatically tracks your hard points also.
That's really for integrated.
So it calculates your eye every day.
I've been using this on yesterday and quite impressive. This is GTR.
GTR 47 mm.
We have multiple watch faces also in the segment.
Right now it's more measuring my
Heart rate, yes.
It's taking time to measure my heart. I don't know why.
It calculates accurate results.
Yeah.
It doesn't it's 94 right now.
94.
So many people are loving you because it takes so many times to do.
No, it calculates accurate heart rate. So
Accurate,
when you get a watch for a low end, right?
This is a walk.
Yeah, how much you have walked? You have taken 4,000 steps, 4,600. You have walked 2.2 miles.
Let me see if I can do it today 10,000. It will be difficult. Let me try.
Every day we wake up thinking we'll walk 10,000.
So this is another features.
Brightness.
Reduce brightness. It gives me a wake up call. Plus, I found something interesting actually about finding a phone. Find my mobile.
You have to connect it with
Connect it with
Bluetooth
the
so that
Bluetooth.
you can find.
So I can actually find my phone. I'm proud if I lose my phone, I can just always activate it and find my phone.
And another interesting feature is so when it's connected to a phone, right now it's not connected to a phone. So you just tap this and you can see the weather within this, and event reminders, everything is seen on the screen. You don't have to go inside also.
Which is an GTS.
Yeah, GTS, all the models which have it depends on the watch face. This watch face supports it, so you just tap it. You go in, you can check the weather and you can change it to events also. So you don't have to even go inside the menu to check the event reminders or anything. So it automatically has everything on the screen.
Which model is this? Which model is this?
So this is GTR titanium and GTR 47mm. So this is made from very hybrid quality titanium alloy. And this is aluminum alloy and stainless steel. There are two variants for this. And this is the 47mm, also comes in 42mm.
This looks nice. What is the price range?
This comes around 14,000.
15K.
Oh, right.
Any other key features you want to talk about it?
Then particularly this model was exclusively for ladies segment. So actually,
Anything else you want to share with the viewers?
So if you want to buy a smartwatch or even a watch that costs around 10 to 12, you go and buy an analog or digital watch, you can buy a smartwatch. This is the current trend and it's available at Fountain Plaza at the entire range. There's not even one product in which I'm selling, which he's selling is not there.
entire range of
Entire range of Amazfit product is available at Music.
We'll be announcing the 5 lucky winners who will be getting the product for 50%.
great job.
You can.
And one more thing, the brand name Amazfit is the company name of Huawei. Is the largest OEM manufacturer in China. They are the funding company for MI Xiaomi, and we are the manufacturer for Band 3, Band 4, MI Band 3 manufacturers also. So Amazfit is a product lineup. We have so many ranges. In next 2020, we are coming with a new model like eSIM, and so many models are in the lineup. So we are already in the market leader of the smartwatch segment. In 2020, we are around some 30 models in the lineup. With the support of Zumani sir, we are doing great on it. Come. Thanks for a wonderful launch, sir.
Thank you, Sandesh.